everyone has their own journey, their own struggle, their own dark moments. It's not something that you can generalize. 2020 was a little bit of a gap year.
Yeah.
Even though I was working, I was expecting a lot more.
Hello everyone, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashita Sahani and today I'm really excited to welcome Pranutan Bell to Peeping Moon. Hi Pranutan.
Hi Rashita. Hi. Thank you so
Hi.
much.
Welcome. So Pranutan, firstly tell me, we have entered 2021, finally left 2020 behind, and there is something exciting which is coming up for you. Helmet is going to release this
Yeah.
year. So tell
Yeah.
me something about that.
Yes, I'm very excited about Helmet actually because the role that I'm portraying is completely opposite to what I did in my debut film Notebook. So she is fun loving, she's free spirited, she's like a desi fataka. That's the
Nice.
first word that come to my mind.
I like the term.
So
Yeah.
so it's like everything that I haven't done in Notebook, I have done in this film. So I've danced, I've done full on romance, I've done comedy. So I'm very excited. I'm very nervous about everyone's feedback.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay. And recently I was talking to Apar Shakti, who's of course your co-star in the film, and he was telling me
Yeah.
that he's also very excited because this is his first solo film, and this is of course your
Yes.
second film as a lead.
Yeah.
So you tell
Yeah.
me, how was it, even shooting with him? Because he comes across as this very energetic person. So I'm sure you all had a lot of fun on set.
Yeah, he is, as you said, he's super energetic. And I mean, honestly, thank God, all of us got along so well as a crew. We genuinely enjoyed each other's company, all of us. And Apar is fantastic. He is a very encouraging and motivating co-actor because it was only my second film. And, he is, of course, an experienced actor. He's done stage, he's done radio, so he was always there, to help me out with anything. I mean, yeah, he's extremely humble and amazing to be around.
Definitely, yeah. And tell me something, the year 2020, as we know, was not at all as we expected it to be. And a lot of actors spoke about dealing with issues, sitting at home idle and not having, of course, to go to work. So you are comparatively very new to the industry. How was it for you as an actor, being away from the cameras for almost a year?
Rashita, honestly, I have just felt a lot of gratitude because, as you said, I am comparatively very new. I was just so happy that I was actually working, like even through the pandemic, through the year 2020. I had a little bit of shooting of Helmet to complete. We had a
Yeah.
song sequence, we had a very important scene we had to shoot. We were originally supposed to go to Banaras for that, but of course we couldn't.
Yeah.
And I just felt so much gratitude, seeing all of us um, put up this strong front, taking all the safety precautions on set. It's not easy. It's not easy at all to be shooting in a time like that. But the
Yeah.
way we all as a crew have risen up to the difficulties has been fantastic. So for me, I've just felt a lot of gratitude, honestly. Of course, it's difficult. I was expecting a release in 2020, but you can't fret over stuff you can't control. So it's
Yeah.
better to just go with the flow and feel grateful. And also, I did a little bit of work in December. I was shooting for a brand. So all in all, I just feel in a year which has been tough, very tough on people, I can only say thank you to the universe that I was working.
Yeah, definitely. And what was your biggest takeaway as an actor from the year 2020? Because it was different for everyone, as you just said.
Mm. Yeah, I think I discovered a very new level of patience. I wasn't aware that I had it. I always thought of myself as a patient person, but I was discovered to a very new level of patience. So
Okay.
as an actor, I thought it will help me cultivate.
Okay. And Pranodhan, in Bollywood, if we talk, there have been several debates. Of course, you are aware about it. And coming from a filmy background, I remember you had come to our office for an interview, and you said that despite being from a legendary family, you used to go and give auditions on your own, and people actually used to ask you that, "Aap Nutan ji ki granddaughter hai, why are you giving auditions?" and stuff like that. So, how difficult or easy has overall your journey until now been ever since your debut released?
See, I don't want to say it's been difficult or easy. I feel everybody has their own journey. There are people who come to Mumbai and live in circumstances which are not very comfortable, because they want to be actors and they're dealing with their own issues like financial crunches, all that. I was very blessed, thank God. I didn't have to do that. But as I said, everyone has their own journey, their own struggle, their own dark moments. It's not something that you can generalize. Like today,
Mm-hmm.
for me, it may be very dark, but for somebody else, they may be like, "Hello, I am living in horrible accommodation, going for auditions in in a worse off situation. So what are you feeling so sad about?" But yeah, everyone has their own individualistic journey. I just want to say that I started in 2016 and I was very fortunate, I think, that I got my debut in 2018, because there are people who struggle many more years, many more years. And I think the odds of even getting a debut are so bleak. So I think हम लोग वो बोलते हैं ना, करोड़ों लोगों में से गिने चुने हैं who are fortunate. And that's all I want to say. I think every journey has its difficulties. As you and I are speaking, I'm sure you and I have our difficulties. So life goes on, and accept what is. I think that's very important.
Okay, definitely. And of course, we see that there is another fan base for all the new age actors. And by new age, I mean that the actors who have made their debut in the past 2-3 years, they like you, and there are other people who have, of course. So
Yeah.
there is, of course, an increasing competition also. Some people see it as negative, some people take it as a positive motivation. What is your take on that when, stars are constantly compared to each other?
Yeah. That's going to happen because we are in a public profession. I just believe that there's enough sunshine for everybody. As long as you concentrate on your journey, on your skills and talent, make yourself better than you were yesterday. So work out, do your acting workshops, do your dancing, whatever helps you in becoming better as a performer. Comparisons and all that will happen. I mean, that's something that's inevitable. But at the end of the day, you have to make the right choices, and stuff like that. But jiski kismat mein jo hai wohi hoga. I mean, you can only work hard. Destiny is already there. So.
Okay. And do you have any plans of collaborating with, of course, your father, Monish Bahl, sir?
I hope, but I there's nothing in the pipeline right now. But I hope that happens. That'll be fab.
Yeah, of course. And what about the web space? Like, there's so much good and quality content releasing on it. Do you also want to explore that platform?
Of course, I think the content that is coming up on OTT platforms is supreme. I mean, the acting, everything is fantastic, and to be associated with a crew like that would be an honor.
Yeah, definitely. And what is that, one thing, or you can, of course, name several also, that you want to do in 2021?
I want to work a lot because I think 2020 was a little bit of a gap year.
Yeah.
Even though I was working, I was expecting a lot more to work. So I want to work. I really want to work. I want to spend more time with my friends because I didn't get to in 2020. So yeah, a lot of love and work.
Definitely. And as they say that an actor's journey begins after his or her debut film has released. So do you think that is what, because now Helmet is, of course, about to release. So tell me something.
Yeah, I think you truly understand the insecurities after your debut film releases. Before that, you're just going with the flow, you're just excited about your first film, but you truly understand what it really means to not have work, or to deal with all those things. But yeah, definitely, I agree. I think up until your debut, it's amazing. It's a cakewalk. After that, it's the real game.
Okay. And lastly, Pranutan, one message for everyone who's watching this, and of course, about your a little bit about your film Helmet, if you want to tell them.
Yes. So, firstly, Happy New Year to everyone. And I hope this year brings a lot of joy and peace and stability. About Helmet, I just want to say that it's a fun film. It's lots of laughter, and it has a social message, which is beautiful. It's a role which is completely opposite to what I did in Notebooks. I'm very excited. I'm very nervous, and I'm looking forward to everyone's feedback. So please watch it when it releases. It'll mean a lot to all of us. That's it.
Okay. Thank you so much, Pranutan, for chatting with me. Good luck for every project that you do in the future.
Thank you.
Welcome.